और अब मुझे लगता है ये स्टॉक अपने हाई को ब्रेक करने के लिए तैयार है। 5 साल में इनकी सेल्स जो है 10 गुना हो गए हैं। They are investing in this particular sector. Keep accumulating at the lower levels. Hi investors and traders, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, and my job is to always get you the best trades, best stocks and information, knowledge, news about stock market. मेरा यही काम है कि मैं आपके लिए अच्छी बेस्ट न्यूज़ लेके आऊँ, बेस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन लेके आऊँ अबाउट स्टॉक मार्केट, जिसको आप यूज़ करके और उससे आप बेटर अपनी ट्रेडिंग को बेटर कर सके। तो आज मैं एक ऐसे स्टॉक की बात करने वाली हूँ जो कि इंडिया के लिए बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्टॉक है, बिकॉज इंडिया इज अ वेरी फार्मिंग ओरिएंटेड कंट्री, लाइक कृषि प्रधान देश है जिसको बोलते हैं। बहुत I think I don't know the statistics, but huge part of Indian population is actually working in growing crops and everything. So anything which connects to the farming industry definitely is going to be a very good investment, with kind of the policies that government is coming up, giving so much of subsidies to the farmers. I'm sure these products, these companies will benefit a lot. So I am talking about a company called Best Agro Life Limited, and I want to show you on my channel on 21st, 22nd of July, 26th of July 2021, almost like 1 year, 2-3 months back, I have given a buy on this particular stock at 54454. See it here. This is Best Agro. I have given a buy at above 454. That is where I have given a buy, and I would like you to see where exactly the stock stands today. A year later, almost like we were on July is somewhere somewhere here. This is July. We are somewhere here in July, and from here 454, this place onwards, the stock has just rallied up till 14,000, 1450. I want you to concentrate on the volumes that have come in this particular stock. The volumes have been pretty good. Huge volumes appeared. A breakout had come. See, this horizontal consolidation was broken. ये जो horizontal consolidation आप देख रहे हैं, ये वॉल्यूम के साथ इसका ब्रेकआउट आया था। 2 कंटिन्यूस दिन में ब्रेकआउट आया, उसके बाद स्टॉक फिर हॉरिजॉन्टल गया, फिर इसमें कंटिन्यूसली वॉल्यूम्स आ रहे हैं। आप एक चीज अगेन नोटिस करिए कि जब स्टॉक नीचे आ रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे आ रहा है, तो वॉल्यूम्स लो है। बट जब जैसे ही इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक में इस दिन बहुत एक ग्रीन कैंडल बनी और वॉल्यूम्स अच्छे खासे बने, उसके बाद जो सेल के वॉल्यूम्स हैं बहुत छोटे हैं और बाय के वॉल्यूम्स काफी हुज हैं, और आज फिर अच्छे खासे वॉल्यूम्स आए हैं, और अब मुझे लगता है ये स्टॉक अपने हाई को ब्रेक करने के लिए तैयार है। तो 1450 इसके ऊपर आपको बाइंग की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी बहुत अच्छी, और आप एक्यूमुलेट कर सकते हैं अगर ये 1200 पे गिरता है तो। इस स्टॉक को हमने बार बार बाय के लिए दिया है और उसके रीजंस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। आपको मैंने टेलीग्राम पे दिखाया कि हमने 454 पे बाय दिया था, आज ये 1000 पॉइंट ऊपर खड़ा हुआ है स्टॉक। Almost like 3 times return the stock has given, and even we have given a buy at 1296 on September 21. उस जगह से भी ये करीब 12-13% ऊपर है। और अब हम आपको लेके चलते हैं स्टॉक के फंडामेंटल्स के ऊपर। ये 3000 से ऊपर करोड़ की कंपनी है, स्टॉक भी 28 के करीब है, ROCE is 40%, ROE is 45%, very good. And then I want to read about the company. It says that Best Agro, earlier known as 𝐻𝐿 Multibase Limited, was earlier involved in trading of plastic granules, plastic raw material, PVC, resin, organic and inorganic chemicals, compound solvents, etc. They amalgamated in 2018 with Best Agrochem Private Limited and inherited the agrochemical business. Now that is key business activity of the company. The group currently comprises of 2 entities, Best Agro Life and Best Crop Sciences. The Product portfolio comprises of a range of chemical and biochemical pest management solution. It has a product portfolio comprising more than 60 active ingredients such as various formulation of pesticides and plant micronutrients and for protecting and nourishing a wide range of crops. Within this vertical, the company focuses on insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, and plant growth regulator, etc. So, like the scope is huge. Scope is definitely huge. And have a look at the pros. The promoters have increased their own holding. Like when the promoters increase their holding, it's a simple indication they believe in the product. They believe the company has huge potential. So the company's promoter अपनी होल्डिंग को इंक्रीज करे. कौन क्या है कि स्टॉक प्राइस जो है वो काफी हाई है, अपनी बुक वैल्यू से ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 10 टाइम्स है. तो ये कौन हो सकता है. अब इसके कॉम्पिटिटर्स को भी हम एक बार देख लेते हैं. तो आप नोटिस करेंगे इसके कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं यूपीएल, पीआई इंडस्ट्रीज, सुमिटोमो, भारत रसायन, रैलिस इंडिया, एस्टेक लिमिटेड, सादा क्रॉपकॉम and Best Agro Life is itself here. So the competition is also pretty much strong. अब इनकी सेल्स को देखते हैं ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस. 45 करोड़ से लेके 2017 में 5 साल में इनकी सेल्स जो है 10 गुना हो गई है. अब 464 करोड़ पे है. और व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एट द सेम टाइम, जो इनके एक्सपेंसेस है बढ़ के एक्चुअली 46 समथिंग होने चाहिए थे, एक्सपेंसेस रिड्यूस हो गए. और जो प्रॉफिट्स है आप देखेंगे ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस बढ़ रहे हैं, -1 से -5 से 5. यहाँ पे कंपनी में टर्न अराउंड आ गया था, उसके बाद 37, 36, 35, 32 जंप आया, फिर 62 का, एंड देन jump up in June 22, a jump of till 66. So the profits are continuously increasing, which is a very positive sign about this particular company. Next, let's go and see what is happening to the operating profit margins. So operating profit margin percentage is continuously increasing from 0 to -1 to 6% and then 14% and 15%. So there has been a stability in the operating profit margins. And now we will have a look at the reserves and the borrowings. So the reserves अगर आप notice करते हैं continuously grow कर रहे हैं from 46 to 48 to 108 to 308. Even borrowings have increased little bit, but definitely borrowings are less than the reserves. So that is again a promising point that could be that can be considered as a promising point. The only issue that I'm finding with them is the cash from the operating activity. So profit from operation, they're getting good profits from the operation, but they have huge pay. I think is this inventory? Yeah. So they are probably developing their inventory, and for that there is a minus sign. And let's see what is happening to the investing activity. They are purchasing fixed assets sold and investments purchased. They are not purchasing anything. I want to see what is happening here. Other investment items. Let's see what is happening in the financing activity. So they have borrowed proceeds from borrowings. They have borrowed 219 crores, and repayment of borrowings, they have repaid 99 crores. So overall, the net cash flow at this point of time is -8 crores. Debtor days have increased a little bit, like 85 to 87 to 53, and then again a little bit increase. Now we'll look into the promoters holding. Pehle 5%, 5%, say 38%, then 40%, then 41%, 45%, and then 47%. What is important to notice that FIIs are very heavily invested. Like important us to read, FIIs क्या सोचते हैं, उनके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. I am sure they are thinking that India's, the agriculture sector is going to really grow, and that is why they are investing in this particular sector. So their investment has increased from, like, at one point of time it was 14. Of course, this is a Corona period. They reduced it to 6.8%, and after that there has been a consistent growth. So from 6.8, they have grown their share to about 11%. Slowly, DIs have also increased their stake in the company, whereas public has reduced their stake from 93% to 41.68%. So As for looking at the chart, I feel a huge amount of consolidation has happened at different levels. अलग अलग लेवल पे कंसोलिडेशन हुआ है स्टॉक में. एक कंसोलिडेशन यहाँ पे हुआ है, आप देखिए ये एक जगह पे कंसोलिडेट हुआ है. फिर दूसरा कंसोलिडेशन, ये स्टॉक जो है ना लैडर्स में चल रहा है, मतलब स्टेप्स में चल रहा है. दूसरा कंसोलिडेशन यहाँ पे हुआ है. तीसरा कंसोलिडेशन अभी अभी खत्म हुआ है और आज इस स्टॉक ने ब्रेकआउट दिया है. तो अगर ये स्टॉक जाता है ऊपर 1456 के ऊपर, 1456 या 1460 के ऊपर जाता है, तो मुझे ऐसी उम्मीद है कि इसमें जल्दी ही 2000 के टारगेट्स देखने को मिलेंगे. मे बी विद इन अ मंथ एंड अ हाफ वी कैन डेफिनेटली सी द टारगेट्स ऑफ 2000. तो आप, मैं किस बेसिस पे बोल रही हूँ वो मैंने आपके साथ ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है कि जो वॉल्यूम्स आए हैं past days में, जो volumes आए हैं, they have been very very promising volumes. The volumes have been very promising. So what I would do, I'll just go here and I'll see कि किस तरह के volumes आए हैं इस stock में. Now I'm going to make it one day and I would like to see. So here are the volumes. Here are the volumes. Just see here, it's 1.72 million, 1.84, 1.83 million volumes have come here, and then 1.16 million volume have come at on this particular day. And then again, good volumes have come, about 443,000 volumes have come today. So it looks very promising. It looks to be heading up, and keep accumulating at the lower levels, and I'm sure you'll be able to make good money. And please manage your trades. Please manage your trades. Please understand. Do not deploy the entire capital into the stock. You have to deploy in bits and pieces. थोड़ा थोड़ा अमाउंट लगाइए और डाइवर्सिफाई करिए अपने पोर्टफोलियो को, and then you will be able to make money. With this, I'll be signing off, your host, Dr. Seema, and I'll see you in the next video. All the best. Take care.